Welcome back, children. So let's continue the next part of this chapter, Albert Einstein at School by Patrick Pringle. In the last video module, we have seen Yuri that he had a doubt whether if he would be able to find a doctor for him to give a medical certificate, but whether he will be willing to help Albert or not. Because looking at Albert, nobody will think that he was going through the nervous breakdown or he had a nervous breakdown. So that time Albert said, don't worry, within a day, in a 1 or 2 days that I will make it everything alright. Everything will be alright. I will do it. So the next time when Yuri saw him, to whom? Albert Einstein. That time really he felt that Albert, that he had a nervous breakdown. The way that he looked. So Yuri said at that, Albert Einstein said at that time, what did he say? That I can't stand alone. I can't stand alone. Really that I shall have a nervous breakdown. That kind of the nervous state I am to satisfy any doctor. Who said? Albert Einstein said to his friend Yuri. So then when he looked at his states, Yuri was sure that really now it is okay to satisfy any doctor. So that time Yuri told him, Albert, that keep it up now. I have found a doctor for you. So when he heard Albert Einstein that his friend had found, he has found a doctor for him, so his face lit up. And he asked him, when can I see him? That time Yuri told him that I have taken an appointment. I have taken an appointment tomorrow evening. You can meet him tomorrow evening. And in this way, here is the address that he handed the address to Albert Einstein on a piece of paper. That he gave address to Albert Einstein of that doctor. So then, and later on, Albert Einstein asked to Yuri, is he specializes in nervous breakdown in that field? Is he specialized? That time, Yuri, that he looked doubtful, he hesitated for a moment and then he said that, as a matter of fact, I would like to tell one thing. Just in the last week itself, that he is qualified as a doctor. It means newly practitioner. Last week itself that he is qualified. That time he said. But Yuri told clearly. When Albert Einstein asked him, do you know him very well? Yuri said, yes, I know him well as a medical student. So that time Yuri, after a hesitation, after a moment, that he told clearly Albert Einstein that I know him very well. One thing that you make it clear, Yuri told Albert Einstein, that he told that he is not a fool. That Dr. Ernst well, that he is not a fool. So what you don't do, you don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. What is the meaning of this sentence? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. It means don't try to make the show. Don't try to fool him. Don't try to deceive him by giving some such things which are not in real, which you already telling that I have got it and actually you don't have it. So don't lie in front of him, because he is not a fool. He is the genius guy. And he clearly told him that one thing you remember, don't give such a things, don't add such a things that you don't have and you said that I have it. And be frank, don't pretend. One more suggestion that he gave Yuri to Albert Einstein. In front of him, don't pretend. Don't try to deceive him. Be frank, just open-minded. And Yuri also said that because you are not good at that thing. Which thing? Because you are the world's worst liar. Who said? Yuri said to Albert Einstein that you are the world's worst liar. And we have seen these statements because we know that Albert Einstein, that he was an honest one. So that is why at the starting of this chapter we have seen the way he argued with his history teacher. When the history teacher asked him in what year Einstein, he asked the year. Honestly, that he answered that I don't know, sir. And plus he said that I am not interested in learning the dates or the facts. So in this way we could say that Albert Einstein, the world's worst liar, he could not lie. So then that time, after that, Albert Einstein continuously that the next, he was wondering about the next day what to do, how to express ourselves before the doctor, and the whole almost when the time arrived, that time Albert Einstein, that he had worried over what to tell Ernst Well, how to describe what to tell, and clearly, and before the doctor he told clearly that I don't know. Before Ernst Well, that he accepted clearly, he said to Dr. Albert Einstein that I don't know, doctor, how to describe my problem or my trouble. Who said to whom? Albert Einstein to Ernst Well, the doctor. He said that I don't know, really I am confused that how to describe my trouble, my problem. Or then Ernst Well said that don't try, right? Don't try to describe, because why? I know your problem already, Yuri, that he told me about your case. Whatever the fact he told me. When doctor said that Yuri has given the details of his case, that time Albert Einstein's face fell. It means he got disappointed, became disappointed, and he said that Yuri shouldn't have told you that. He said to doctor. So doctor said, why not? Isn't it true? Albert Einstein said, yes, it is true, but now I know the result. What would you say? Right? You will tell, definitely you will tell me that there is no problem at all, nothing is wrong, and you will tell me that what? Nothing is wrong, so you go back to your school. You will tell me. Albert Einstein said to the doctor. That time doctor said, don't be too sure. He said to Albert Einstein, don't be too sure. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure that you are very close to the nervous state. Who said? The doctor said to Albert that don't be too sure, because otherwise you wouldn't have come to meet me, to see me, if you hadn't been any problem. You have problems, so that is why you are here. So don't be too sure, the doctor told to Albert Einstein. Am I clear? So now in this way here that we have discussed about this part here till so far. Right? The way, first of all, the discussion between Yuri and Albert Einstein, later on the next dialogues between Albert Einstein and the doctor, that is Ernst Well. Am I clear? So we will stop here. I hope that you understood the points. That's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.